Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, July 10th. I'll try to keep this pretty short today as we don't have too much impactful weather for the next couple days. Looking at a large satellite imagery infrared shot. The main feature, we have an upper level low off the Washington coast, and this is allowing flow aloft to turn southwesterly ahead of that. So the main feature, at least for the short term, is going to be much warmer temperatures under the southwest flow aloft. High temperatures today will reach well above seasonal norms for the first time in a few days. We do have some high clouds ahead of the low, generally not expecting precipitation. Most of that should stay to the north. And looking at the radar loop, again this morning, most of the precipitation is in Washington State and northwest Oregon, nearer to that upper level low. And again, most of the precipitation is going to be north of us today and west. And looking at the frontal map and weather depiction, high pressure over Yellowstone and again all of Idaho expected to be dry today. As we get further along, the next couple of days on Thursday, could see a few more isolated thunderstorms pop up, mainly in the Island Park, the Yellowstone area, north into Montana. And by Friday, with the continued southerly flow, some of the monsoonal moisture will start to push up more intensely from the south. So again, expecting isolated thunderstorms mainly across the central mountains, east towards the Yellowstone Park area. So nothing widespread, and I expect coverage to be isolated through Friday. By the weekend, some of these thunderstorms and showers and thunderstorms could become more widespread. As I was stating, it is going to get very warm today. High temperatures, generally low 90s across the Snake River Plain and mid 70s to mid 80s across the mountains. And this trend is going to continue for several days. Again, widespread 90s and low elevations and 70s to 80s for the most part in the mountains. As we get into Friday and Saturday, again, not much deviation from these very warm temperatures. May see a bit of a cool down Sunday with the weak system pushing to the north, but through Saturday again, very warm, 5 to 10 degrees above normal. Winds not expected to be a big factor. Some higher peaks in the central mountains, southern highlands could see some gusts over 25 miles per hour, but for the most part, wind gusts should be well under 20 miles per hour most locations today. Same thing Thursday, high peaks in the central mountains could see gusts above 25 miles per hour, but again, lower elevations not expected to be overly strong Thursday or Friday. The biggest wind impact, I think, is going to come Sunday. We do have a system passing through to the north and wind gusts on Sunday. Right now we're expecting a much more widespread area of 25 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts across pretty much the entire area. So there will be a possible wind event Sunday, or at least higher winds than we'll have the next several days. And looking at an 8 to 14 day quick outlook, right now generally temperatures expected to be a slight chance of above normal in the extreme eastern part of Idaho, and precipitation a better than normal chance of below normal precipitation as well. So that's all I have for today. Again, not significant weather impacts today or tomorrow. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day, or go to our weather site listed at the bottom. Thank you very much and have a nice day.